My dear friends in Christ Jesus, greetings to you all. In this episode, I answer to the question, are there different types of institutes of consecrated life? My dear friends, yes, there are various types of institutes of consecrated life in the church. Canon 577 of the Latin Code states that in the church there are many institutes of consecrated life with gifts that differ according to the graces given them. They more closely follow Christ, praying or proclaiming the kingdom of God, or doing good to people, or in dialogue with the people of this world, but always doing the will of the Father. Generally, institutes of consecrated life are divided into two types depending upon the nature and status of the members. They are, number one, religious institutes. Canons 607 to 709 of the Latin Code speak about the religious institutes. Number two, secular institutes. Canons 710 to 730 of the Latin Code speak about the secular institutes. My dear friends, in itself, the state of consecrated life is neither clerical nor lay. However, the paragraph 2 of the Canon 588 of the Latin Code defines a clerical institute. It says, a clerical institute is one which, by reason of the end or purpose intended by the founder, or by reason of lawful tradition, is under the governance of clerics, presupposes the exercise of sacred orders, and is recognized as such by ecclesiastical authority. The paragraph 3 of the Canon 588 of the Latin Code defines a lay institute. It says, a lay institute is one which is recognized as such by ecclesiastical authority because by its nature, character and purpose, its proper role defined by its founder or by lawful tradition does not include the exercise of sacred orders. It denotes the religious who have not received the sacerdotal ordination. Hence, the women religious and religious brothers are considered lay members of consecrated life. Canon 603 of the Latin Code speaks of the institutes of hermits. It says, besides institutes of consecrated life, the Church recognizes the life of hermits, in which Christ's faithful withdraw further from the world and devote their lives to the praise of God and the salvation of the world through the silence of solitude and through constant prayer and penance. Hermits are recognized by law as dedicated to God in consecrated life if, in the hands of the diocesan bishop, they publicly profess by a vow or by some other sacred bond the three evangelical counsels and then lead their particular form of life under the guidance of the diocesan bishop. My dear friends, the Canon 710 of the Latin Code defines a secular institute. It says, a secular institute is an institute of consecrated life in which Christ's faithful living in the world strive for the perfection of charity and endeavor to contribute to the sanctification of the world, especially from within. Thus, there are different types of institutes of consecrated life depending upon the nature and status of the life of the members of the religious institute. Thanks for watching. See you again.